Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Global tensions rise as UK foresees pre-war phase. Boeing faces turbulence after O'Hare collision. Spirit Airlines hits air pocket as court blocks JetBlue sale. AMD soars on AI prospects, backed by Barclays. Disney shines at Emmys despite box office flops. Second wave of AI approaches with Barclays' top picks. Cannabis stocks ignite amid DEA rescheduling support and natural gas dips as warm weather looms in the U.S. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Escalating worldwide strains and assaults on vessels owned by the United States in the Red Sea have led to demands for a boost in defense expenditure. The UK's Defense Secretary, Grant Shapps, has issued a warning about potential confrontations with Russia, China, Iran, and North Korea by the year 2024. Despite financial burdens from mounting debts and escalating interest rates, it is anticipated that military expenditure will see a substantial increase. This development coincides with Britain's preparation to spearhead NATO's most extensive deployment since the Cold War era, involving 20,000 personnel.
Shares in Boeing experienced a 7.5% decrease after an event at O'Hare International Airport in Chicago, where two of its aircraft collided during taxiing. This incident occurs amidst ongoing investigations by the FAA and a difficult year for Boeing, as their stocks have fallen by 21.5%. Despite this downturn, experts advise caution when considering this as a potential investment opportunity due to the persistent uncertainties surrounding the company.
Spirit Airlines experienced a 47% drop in shares following a federal judge's decision to halt its $3.8 billion sale to JetBlue Airways. This decision was made due to concerns over antitrust, even though JetBlue had tried to placate regulators with plans for divestiture. Currently, both airlines are considering their future actions in light of this ruling.
Shares in semiconductor companies, spearheaded by AMD, are experiencing an upward trend. AMD's shares have reached their peak since 2021. This surge is attributed to Barclays increasing its price target for AMD from $120 to $200, anticipating a sales surge driven by the demand for artificial intelligence. Other key players in the semiconductor industry like Nvidia and Intel have also witnessed fluctuations in early market trading. These shifts occurred during what market analysts refer to as the second wave of artificial intelligence.
Despite not performing well at the box office recently, the Walt Disney Company has come out on top at the Emmy Awards. They secured a total of 36 awards across various platforms. These include ABC, Disney+, and Hulu. FX's The Bear was a standout, leading with 10 awards. Warner Bros. HBO wasn't far behind with 31 wins, while Netflix managed to bag 22 awards. This achievement comes in a year that has been challenging for legacy media companies, as evidenced by Disney shares falling by 7% over the past year.
Barclays has upgraded Coherent, NXP Semiconductors, Western Digital and Camtek. The firm advises investors to buy into what they call the second wave of artificial intelligence. They predict robust growth in 2025 across most markets. Additionally, Barclays shows preference for advanced micro devices and Marvell technology. The price targets for these companies have been significantly increased.
Stocks in the cannabis industry experienced a significant increase after the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, along with 12 state attorneys general, urged the Drug Enforcement Administration to reclassify marijuana as a substance of lesser danger. This action acknowledges the legitimate medical applications of marijuana and could aid in regulating unlawful cannabis products. Firms such as Midman Enterprises, Curaleaf Holdings, and Acreage Holdings witnessed substantial growth.
Futures for natural gas in the United States have seen a significant decrease, wiping out the majority of the gains from the previous week. This decline is attributed to weather predictions indicating a rise in temperatures later this month, causing attention to shift from the ongoing cold wave. Concurrently, supplies of natural gas in America are nearing a 13-month low. This shortage is due to wells freezing over and an unprecedented demand for heating and power generation.
And that's a wrap on today's The Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested, And until next time, keep making those smart money moves. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.